Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change windshield wipers on your Infiniti Q60. First, gather your new wiper blades, a clean cloth, and a protective towel. Park your vehicle on a level surface and ensure the engine is completely off. Carefully lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the service position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging your glass. You're now ready for the next step. Now let's remove those old wiper blades. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade downwards, away from the wiper arm, until it detaches. Be sure to place a thick towel or cloth on your windshield before letting the bare wiper arm down. This crucial step protects your glass from scratches or cracks if the arm accidentally springs back. With the old blades removed, it's time to install your new ones. Take a new blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once the two new blades are attached, carefully and gently lower each wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Avoid letting them snap down, as this can cause damage. Finally, let's perform one quick test to ensure everything is working perfectly. Get into your Infiniti Q60, turn on the ignition, and activate your windshield wipers. Use the washer fluid to lubricate the glass. Observe the blades as they sweep. They should move smoothly and clear the windshield without leaving any streaks or missed spots. For optimal performance and longevity, remember to clean your wiper blades regularly with a damp cloth. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.